Mm. Hello, what's up, Kenny? What's going on, man? Kenny Marshall. I was up. My Jeep Liberty limited 2011 transmission whining and slipping. Can I quick fix it? There's no quick fix. Now, there's a couple of quick things you can try. All right. Limited transmission whining and slipping. The quickest, easiest thing you can try is a service. Good. That's the 2011. What is that? A Nag one? Maybe Nag one. What is it? Jeep Liberty. Might not even be. It might be a 42 RE. Drop the pan. Replace the filter. The filter could be clogged, starving the pump. When a pump start, it tends to whine. Just like you. If you ain't had no water in weeks, you starving. You're gonna start whining. You ain't gonna sound normal. That's the exact same thing automotive transmission would do in the event it's starving. If it's not, there's no fluid to suck up. Even though there's fluid in the pan, the filter could be restricted, not allowing the proper flow to go to it. So it will starve. Now, as far as quick fix, no one can say that will allow you to now shift properly. I can, however, say that if that's the reason why you're whining, but that's redundant, right? So listen, that's the quickest thing you can try. I wouldn't dub it a quick fix though. All right. I'm almost certain, man, that thing 2011 pretty sophisticated about the computer's pretty sophisticated about setting fault codes relating to that complaint. So scan it and see if you got any fault code. You likely will have P0700, but you might have a P0944 or P0868, line pressure low, something like that. Then you can suspect things like the filter being clogged. But 2011 Liberty, likely, I don't know. If it's a nag one, you're not going to have a dipstick. You will, however, have a dipstick tube. Yes, a dipstick tube. So you know the drill. Analyze the fluid, go down there with a dipstick, pull it out. Get a fluid whiff. If it's burnt, you're done. All right. It's as simple as that. Overheated. If it's overheated or smell burnt, then yeah, you got some problem. If it's not burnt, you could have a restriction. All right. So Kenny, do transmission service first, man. That's the easiest thing you can try. I wouldn't dub it a quick fix though. Mark Williams, what's going on, Mark? Chryslers are piles of crap. They are good for us technicians, but bad for the consumer. Much love, JT. Mark, tell us how you really feel, Mark. Don't hold nothing back. Now, I tend to disagree with Mr. Mark Williams. Now that I've got the nice part out the way. Are there problems? Absolutely, guys. Yes. There are some problems, okay, but and somebody pointed this out on one of the engines. Guys, I read every comment. I just can't find time to, this little phone, it drives me cuckoo. I really need to be in front of a computer. Somebody commented on the Pentastar. As much as people bitching about the Pentastar, the fact that there are so many freaking engines out there. He said what, 1% or 10%, a small percentage breaks, and because that small percentage is still a lot, it looked like a lot of the Pentastar engines are breaking. So what he's saying is it becomes a percentage thing. All right, if there's so many of something, a small percentage will look like a lot. That makes sense. I never thought of it that way, but that makes plenty of sense. So all the Pentastar engines we seeing or we are having, imagine about the countless numbers that's not having any problems. Now, I'm not defending it by no means. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm just saying, Mr. Mark Williams, maybe this small percentage, the bulk of the small percentage you're seeing. If you're a technician, you say good for us technicians. I assume you're a technician. So that small percentage, a high percentage of the small percentage you're likely seeing, and which putting you under the impression that Chrysler's are pile of shit. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, Mark, thanks for watching, man. I appreciate it. Even though you said something crazy, Mark, I still appreciate you watching, man. This is a realist show, guys. Keep it real. All right, don't play with me. Keep it 100. Whatever you got to say it. All right. If I say something stupid, let me know. If I say something wrong, let me know. If you think Chrysler a piece of crap, like Mark just said, go for it. Let me know. Or let's talk about it and put it that way. I dropped, my man, you're a trader, okay? How you gonna, you didn't say what you work for, so I don't know. You just said us technician. Lexus, Toyota, I own a Nissan, Mark. So, you know, yeah, everybody have their preference, okay? You're gonna own what you want to own in life. You should get what you want, okay? I don't want to get off on a rant on that. Bob, what up, Bob? JT, I saw your video. The woman is abusing you. I hope she's paying a high rental fee. No, she had to pay for the repairs, and I've set her down and talked to her, man. I tell you, Bob, I cannot believe she said she didn't hear nothing on that wheel. I didn't hear anything. I started to go get the old hub bearing, bring it to her, put it up in her ear, and just go, you hear that? You telling me you didn't hear that? But I had to set her down and give her a reel because I like my van. And she's kind of upset too because she's been renting that freaking van for 3 years. I'm gonna tell y'all something about people. Every time there's a chance, or every time they know a lump sum of money is coming, just say income tax. Every year income tax come around the same thing. You have it's people out there that have that check already allocated for something else before it even get to them. But in their mind, they want to buy a vehicle so they can stop renting a vehicle. But it never works out that way. What April just passed, that's the deadline for the income tax. She already got an income tax. Not one word about, all right, you can come get your van, I'm gonna buy me a car. But I heard this chatter in February. When I get my income tax, you come get it, because I'm gonna buy me a car. I'm tired of renting. I didn't pay for this car over and over. I said, lady, it's not a rent to own vehicle, okay? It's a rent till you tired of renting vehicle. Okay, no, I'm not rent to own. No. When you're done and you tired, just let me know. I come get it or give it back. It's real simple, okay? Because right now, I'm just the owner of the van. Everything is on. She has the insurance on it. Now the tags and title in my name, but I refuse to. Now I don't know if I'm liable for anything. Like she have insurance on it, so if she go out and kill somebody, is the owner of the vehicle liable for that? No, I'm sure she is, but I don't know. But I don't want to think that far out. So, but for the most part, I'm just collecting a check every month for an old van that I had laying around that I used to do Uber in, but since YouTube started taking off, the hell with Uber. So I rented it to her, and she's been in it for the last 3 years. How the hell did I get on that? Bob, man, you tricked me again, Bob. Come on, man, stop it. Cut it out. King Chart, what's going on, man? My man, Mike Willingham in the building. You still in Washington, man? Mike, you keeping up with the Hawks? Did I say Hawks? Not the Lakers, Mike, the Hawks. From what I heard, ain't no more Lakers. All right, Mike, keep up with the Hawks. Now, you originally from Atlanta, so, you know, stay on protocol, man. These people love them PT Cruisers out here. You can make a... You think so, Mike? All right, Mike, I'm going to have to come up there and network a lot of PT Cruiser owners out there, y'all. Mike, man, I appreciate you jumping on, Mike. You're a trip. That's what's up. Jeff Pope. What up, JT? Why I recognize his name from? Jeff Pope. That name somewhere in the back of my head. But what's up, Jeff? How you doing? How you living? All that good stuff. I appreciate you jumping on. If you got to leave, please do one of these before you go. But I appreciate you jumping on. Anyway, all right.